Oh, there's stars. Oh, that's the Sensi stars. Never mind.
Oh, did Sandy tell you her latest woes?
No.
Wait, not on the video. Tell me the woes after. This is for Misty. Sandy, don't get in the light.
Working on sitting.
Okay. Okay, here. Help me. Pull it out, pull it out, pull it out. Get some more. Here you go.
Oh, there's a bow on it.
I got some chocolate. Here we go. Thank you.
Oh, there's a card.
Hey sis, I'm allowing you to open this one early because if you don't, they might go bad. See, permission to open it early.
Did you think she could?
That light is bright.
This is really cute wrapping paper. I really like it. I bet you should pick it out just for me.
Probably.
You'll appreciate the true beauty of cute wrapping paper.
Why are you saving it? Wrapping paper is meant to rip.
Because it is cute.
She can use it
Unless your
tonight.
child gets a hold of it.
Hey, you can use it at the cookie thing and make a card out of it.
Okay, here, rip, 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 rip.
Oh!
Chocolates!
She says you have to open the box too.
Let's see.
It is
That little
chocolate.
brat face.
It obviously-
Take a bite out of every chocolate.
Who do you love?
She's a brat. Ask mom and dad. Say, Mom, can I have some chocolate?
Ask mommy.
Ask. Can I have some chocolate?
Ask mommy.
Say mommy, please. Say please. Okay.
There you go.
No.
No, you don't want that one?
No.
Okay, which one do you want?
Okay.
You're welcome.
Just kidding.